$115,000 from YouTube without showing your face. This channel has managed to earn $45,000 in the last 30 days. Why? Because videos without faces are already beating the algorithm and performing even better than channels where people show their faces. The problem is that most people don't realize that they can go viral with just one video. But most people make big mistakes when uploading their first one. Until a few years ago, going viral with your first video was almost impossible, but that's not the case anymore. If you follow the principles I'll tell you in this video, your chances of getting views will increase. Created just 7 months ago, this channel has 461,000 subscribers today, and several of its videos have had over 21 million views. Its most viral video to date has received 28 million views. The video earned just 10 cents per 1,000 views, while it took less than 15 minutes to create. The videos on this channel are super simple, and the good news, you can do the same. In this video, I'll show you how to use artificial intelligence to copy this strategy and start an automated YouTube business. You don't need any experience, a degree, or any special skills. I'll walk you through it step by step. If you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube channel and make viral videos, then stay with me until the end. Okay guys, now that you know how these types of videos go viral, it's time to create your first video. It's easier than you think. Just open ChatGPT and take a screenshot of the channel page you want to create. Tell ChatGPT that you want to create a video similar to this channel. ChatGPT will generate 15 image prompts for you in a few moments. It will also prepare a complete script for the video. So guys, now that we have entered the world of AI, it is time to get acquainted with one of the most powerful AI sites. Endless.io site, the best AI tool. I have put the link of the site in the video description. Be sure to check it out. This site is completely free. Just register and use its amazing features without paying any fees. Now that ChatGPT has prepared the required prompts, it is time to enter Endless.io and use this powerful site to generate amazing images. Enter all the prompts one by one in Endless.io, then paste them in the AI image generator section of the site. This site allows you to choose the style and model of the image. I chose the 3D style for my videos because it looks very professional and eye-catching. You can also try other styles such as painting, cinematic, realistic, etc. Once you have entered all the prompts, Endless.io will generate stunning high-quality images for you in a matter of moments. Now all you have to do is download all the images and use them for your video. Why is Endless.io one of the best sites for generating AI images? It gives you 100 free credits, meaning you can create 100 free images. Other AI sites usually give less than 10 free images, but this site is quite generous. High speed and excellent quality. The images generated are very realistic and professional. In a few minutes and without any skills, you can create dozens of stunning images, ready to use in your YouTube video. So try it out now and create your first images. This site is one of the most powerful AI tools I have ever seen. I have been working in this field for years, and I can say that Endless.io is a unique platform for faceless YouTube content creation. Now you have a powerful tool at your disposal that can simplify the entire content creation process for you. So sign up now and create your first video with the help of this site. How to create free professional voiceovers for YouTube videos with Endless.io. Okay guys, now that we have our video footage and script ready, it's time to add a professional voiceover to our video. Luckily, Endless.io does that for us too. Head over to the Convert to Speech section on the Endless.io website. Here's a completely free text-to-speech tool that will produce a natural, professional sound for your video. Choose your preferred voiceover. The site has several voiceovers with different voices. You can choose male, female, or even specific styles. Once the voiceover is generated, download it. Now we need to convert photos to video. Go to the Mods section. Here you can add various plugins for editing and creating videos. In the Mods section, search for the name Luma. This tool allows you to convert your images to videos and add professional effects to them. Another powerful plugin in Endless.io is Kling. You can use Kling to improve visual effects and video settings. Now upload the images you have already created to the Luma tool. Paid plans for more features. If you want to use all the professional features of this site, you can purchase one of the plans such as Pro Plan, only $9 per month for more features and higher quality. And Team Plan, only $17 per month per user, suitable for professional teams, but if you don't want to pay, you can still use this tool for free. The link to the site is in the video description, so be sure to give it a try and make your first video today. The final stage of video editing in CapCut. Okay guys, now we come to the most exciting part. This is where we put all the parts of our video together and create a professional, attractive, and impressive content. In this stage, we will edit the videos you created using the Endless.io site in the CapCut software and turn them into a complete video. This will include adjusting the order of the videos, adding effects and transitions, adjusting the audio, and finally exporting the video. Now we will go step by step to complete our professional video. Log into the CapCut app and create a new project. If you don't have this software installed yet, you can download and install it from the mobile app store. After opening CapCut, select the New Project option to create a new project. Then import all the videos you created in Endless I/O into the app. Arrange the videos according to your desired story or scenario and place them in the right place. If necessary, trim some clips to make the video more coherent and not tire the viewers. Also, if you need to remove unnecessary or repetitive parts, be sure to do so to make your video look cleaner and more professional. The next step is to add special effects. Effects can transform your video from a simple content into a professional work. Add special effects for each clip to make the video more exciting. To do this, go to the Effects section and use motion effects, lighting, and special effects. Some of the suggested effects include blur, glitch, shake, and other attractive effects that will give your video a special look. But always remember to use effects in moderation so that the viewer doesn't feel tired and their attention isn't diverted from the main content of the video. Transitions are another part of video editing that make clips connect together smoothly and beautifully. Go to the Transitions section and choose a suitable transition between each clip to make the video look more natural and cinematic. Smooth, zoom, flash, and other transitions available in CapCut can give your video a professional look. If your video has a scary or mysterious theme, use fast and sudden transitions to create more excitement and tension. After adding effects and transitions, it's time to adjust the audio. Import the speaker's audio file that you created from endless.io into CapCut. Adjust the timing of the sounds precisely so that they perfectly match the video. Make sure the speaker is in sync with the image and the audio is in sync with the events in the video. If there are any extraneous conversations or long silences, remove them to make the video more concise and professional. If necessary, use the voice effects section to make the speaker's voice sound more natural and attractive. If you want to have an emotional and impactful video, add appropriate background music to enhance the mood of your video. Music can improve the overall atmosphere of the video and make it more impactful, so don't neglect to choose the right music. After completing all the editing steps, it's time to review the video and make sure of its final quality. Before exporting, watch the video from start to finish and make sure that all the details have been applied correctly. If there's a problem with the order of clips, effects, voiceovers, or transitions, fix it so that the video is completely flawless. Finally, to export your video, go to the Export section in CapCut. Set the video resolution to 1080p or higher to ensure the final video quality is high and clear. The higher the output quality, the better your video will look on various platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Then, click the Export button and wait for a few moments for your video to be processed and prepared. Processing time will vary depending on the length of your video and the amount of effects you have used. Now the final video is ready and you can watch it. This video is the result of all the efforts you have put in these steps. So watching the final result can be very enjoyable. After this, upload the video to YouTube or other platforms of your choice and share it with others. To attract more audiences, write an attractive title and description for the video and use appropriate hashtags to make your video more visible. Also, to increase the click-through rate, design a professional and attractive thumbnail that encourages users to watch your video. If you like this method, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. This will help us produce more content for you and share more tips on editing and creating videos with you. If you have any questions or specific ideas about this method, be sure to write in the comments section. Till the next video, good luck!
Amy's story. Amy is happily walking down the street when suddenly sirens go off. Police dogs surround her. Boss Bruno: "You're under arrest for stealing from the Big Bone Vault." Amy, shocked: "What? I didn't do anything." She is taken to a state-of-the-art prison where she meets Shadow, a mysterious black cat. They plan an escape, navigating dark tunnels, red lasers, and police drones. In an alley, Amy finds a file that reveals the truth. The real thief is Boss Bruno. On the rooftop, Amy confronts Bruno. Bruno, snarling: "You should have stayed in prison, puppy." Amy, smirking: "And you shouldn't have left a trace." When the police arrive, Bruno is arrested. Reporters surround Amy. Reporter: "How does it feel to be free?" Amy, laughing: "Time for a snack." Amy was deceived, but she fought for the truth. Justice always triumphs.